Hello guys, welcome to learning of C interview and important questions. One of the question here we are seeing that is nothing but a given number is factorial. Given number factorial we are checking. Usually factorial how we will check. Let's see here factorial how we will check. So this is a factorial. Usually 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6. Same 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 24. This is the factorials. Usually we know the factorials. For that how we will write the logic. Let's see here. I'm taking the one. I'm reading the one value here. That is, let us assume 3 here. The number 3 here, and this is a factor. Fact is a variable. I'm assigning 1 here. Number I and fact, these all are variable names. We can give any variable name according to the user requirement. We can modify. You can give anything instead of fact. You can give f. You can give f here like that. You can give anything like here. So I instead of I you can give jk. Number instead of you can give the number or n a like that you can give. But whatever, make sure that whatever you are giving here, that you need to write here only. So I am reading the value here. Number is 3. Let us assume factorial I am assigning 1, and later I am repeating the 1 for loop. I is equal to number, that means I value initially nothing is there, so I am assigning I is equal to number means number contains 3, so I value also contains 3 here only. I greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus, later fact is equal to fact into I. Let's see here. Same, this is a output. For we need to get the output is 6 here. 3 factorial is 6. Let's see. Initially I is equal to 3. Okay, means here I is equal to n, means number is contains 3, so 3. It will check the condition is true. 3 greater than or equal to 1, it's true. It will come inside this for loop. Here it will check fact is equal to fact into I. Fact is equal to fact in. Fact value is 1. Initially we are giving the 1, so 1 into I value is 3 is equal to 3. The factorial value here is 3. Next I minus minus, so I minus minus means I is equal to 2. Condition it will check I greater than or equal to 1. It will true. It will come inside, and it will come inside. Execute the next statement. Factorial is equal to fact into 6. Factorial value is here 3, means 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 6. Now factorial value is 6. Again I minus minus means it will check the condition. Condition it is check. Condition is true, means I is equal to 1. By 1 greater than or equal to 1, it is true. It will come inside. It will execute the factorial. Factorial is equal to fact into I. That means 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Next I is equal to minus minus. Then it will check the condition. It is false, means I minus minus means I is equal to 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1. It will false. It will come out and it will print the factorial. Final factorial value is 6. Right? Same. For example, 4 also same. 5 also same. Whatever the value we are giving, the same loop will repeat the loops, and it will give the output. So now we will see the in compiler, like same program. I'm reading the value same. M factorial is equal to 1. I'm doing. Let's see. I'm running. Given the 3 is equal to 6. For example, if I given 4 means 24. Same like that. If you give 5 means 120. For example, if you are giving a big number like 120 factorial, 300 factorial, means we need to use long int. And in printf also we are using ld. Okay. Long int means the integer range is varies according to the compiler. Some compiler, based on the compiler, integer value will varies. For example, we are working with big numbers, we are using long. If you want to know like small numbers 5 to 1, we will use single only. Like this we can do. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, comment me. If you want to discuss any program, you can comment me. We will discuss, try to discuss those questions also.